Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into Topaz Labs Photo AI 3, an advanced tool designed to enhance your photos using cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this software promises to take your images to the next level. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to download and install Photo AI 3 from the Topaz Labs website. It's available for both Mac and PC, and you can use it either as a standalone application or as a plugin for software like Lightroom and Photoshop. Once installed, launching Photo AI 3 reveals a user-friendly interface with a range of powerful tools. One of the standout features is its ability to denoise images while preserving important details. This is perfect for cleaning up low-light shots or reducing graininess without sacrificing clarity. Next up is sharpening. Unlike traditional methods, Photo AI 3 analyzes the causes of blur such as camera shake or motion blur and intelligently sharpens your photos to restore crispness naturally. Another impressive capability is upscaling. Using AI trained on millions of images, Photo AI 3 can intelligently add pixels to your photos, allowing you to enlarge them with minimal loss of detail. This is great for printing large formats or improving resolution. But that's not all. Photo AI 3 can also recover faces in your photos with remarkable detail. Whether it's smoothing out skin tones or enhancing facial features, this tool ensures your portraits look their best. Now, let's talk about the interface. It's been revamped for Photo AI 3, making it easier than ever to navigate and customize your editing workflow. You can drag panels, preview updates instantly, and even stack multiple editing actions in any order you choose. One feature I particularly love is the ability to adjust lighting and color balance with just a few clicks. Photo AI 3 analyzes your image to correct brightness, contrast, and color temperature, creating vivid, lifelike results effortlessly. And here's the best part: Photo AI 3 isn't just about fixing photos, it's about enhancing your creative vision. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, this tool empowers you to bring out the full potential of every shot. So, if you're ready to elevate your photography game with AI-powered editing, I highly recommend checking out Photo AI 3 from Topaz Labs. You can find more information and purchase it through the link in the description below. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.